What's good, guys? My name is Maros, and in this video I'm back with another episode of the TapNews series, and this is episode 7. So in this video I've got a bunch of news, like about 5 to 6 clips to show you, and they're really interesting. So stay tuned till the end to find all the news that has happened in this week or the past. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So the first news we have is about Honor 8X along with the Mate 20, which is the end of the year flagship of Huawei. So Honor 8X is a budget oriented device around the $300 mark, and for that it has really good performance. Just like the Honor 7X, which is still a really good beast, this phone has no competence at this price point, as it can provide you a lot of features that other phones at this price point do not, and it competes directly with the Pocophone F1. So the camera, it is brilliant, the storage, it is massive, the RAM, it is fast, and overall Huawei has gone for a bigger screen, about 6.3 inches, and the phone looks slick. So I would definitely recommend this phone if you have a budget of $300 or a little bit more, as this would not disappoint you. And as for the Huawei Mate 20, the flagship is amazing. Other than the new and the odd shape of the camera layout, which is in a box form, still the phone performs really good, and it has triple camera set. It has a triple camera setup, just like the P20 Pro, and the phone provides a slick user interface, and Huawei had made some really good user-friendly interface changes, which helps a lot in the skin that is on the stock Android on the Huawei. Other than that, like all other Mate phones, this phone is also a huge beast and won't disappoint you in any way. Moving on, Adobe has released the 2019 version for all of its softwares like the Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, etc. So all these new features include really awesome features in all these softwares. So if we look at Premiere Pro and Photoshop specifically, they have got some huge buffs, and now they have at last listened to the community. So in the Premiere Pro we have got some more advanced and easy to use color grading options, and Photoshop, there are a ton of features. If you want to watch any video on YouTube, you can watch by just typing in Photoshop CC 2019 latest features, as they have got a bunch of features that are going to surprise you. Along with that, they have also released a new software, which is Adobe Rush. So it is a downgrade to the Premiere Pro if you have a less intensive PC and you want to do basic editing like trim, cut, copy, paste, and you don't want to go with multiple layers, just 2 to 3 layers. So this program is really good. It is really simple to use. It literally takes about 10 seconds to set up the whole interface, and you can start editing simple videos simply in seconds. As you all know that the RTX 2018 has been released for the previous month or so, and now we are also seeing the RTX 2070. And the biggest surprise about this, other than the performance and the good specs, is that it is selling right now at MSRP, which is unusual, as the previous generation like the 1070, 1060, 1080, including the TI versions, are still not selling for the MSRP. They are a bit high above the MSRP, and you can rarely find any GPU at MSRP. But this RTX 2070, which has great specs, is at MSRP. So it is a great deal, and I definitely recommend it. Finally, to round up this video, I've got the best news for Windows users, as Windows 10 received the October update, which is one of the major updates of Windows, and in this update there are a ton of features for the user, and they have improved a lot since Windows 10 was released. So the best feature, or you can say my favorite feature, is the dark mode, but not only on the settings menu or the other menus, but also on the Explorer, because it was absent there previously. So dark mode on Explorer really makes sense, and it completes the Windows 10 experience for me. Be sure to comment down below what are your experiences about this dark mode. Is it sick or dumb? So with that rounds up today's video, guys. I hope you had a great time watching the video, and as always, if you really like the video, you know what to do. Smash the like button, and if you really love the channel, consider subscribing, as it would help you a lot as I keep making these kind of videos. And till then, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.